The turning moment diagram for a four-stroke gas engine may be assumed simplicity to be represented by four triangles from the line of zero pressure as follows. Here we have suction stroke, compression stroke, expansion stroke, exhaust stroke. It clearly shows that this is the turning moment diagram of IC engine. So you will get a diagram like this. Again, in the question itself, it is given the triangle. The representations are four triangles. So three bottom triangles, one upward triangle. Here, this upward triangle represent expansion stroke. Each meter squared of area represent 3 mega Newton meter. So this is the scale factor. 1 meter squared on this diagram equal to 3 mega Newton meter. So 3 into 10 power 6 Newton meter. Assuming the resisting torque to be uniform, which means Tm equal to uniform or constant, find the mass of flywheel. So we need to find the mass of the flywheel M to keep the speed between 202 and 180 rpm. So here N1 equal to 202 rpm, N2 equal to 198 rpm. The mean radius of the rim will be given as 1.2 meter. So capital R value 1.2 meter. Here our aim is to find out the value of M. Usually we find del E equal to I omega squared Cs. Here we will find I. So I equal to mk squared. Again, by substituting the value, we need to find the value of M. So this is the diagram of free body turning moment diagram of given IC engine. X-axis represent theta, y-axis represent turning moment. A1 represent area of suction stroke, A2 represent area of compression stroke, A3 represent area of working stroke, then A4 represent area of expansion stroke. Each stroke has an angle of pi. So 0 to pi suction stroke, pi to 2 pi compression stroke, 2 pi to 3 pi working stroke, then 3 pi to 4 pi expansion stroke. That is the mean T mean value which we need to find out. Then the maximum value of torque represented by a symbol T max. So T max equal to Ag. Here our aim is to find out change in energy, fluctuation of energy, or the energy stored in flywheel. The energy stored in flywheel is nothing but the area above T mean. So this is the area we need to find out. So to find that value, I need the value. This is a triangle of into AF into DE. I need a value of AF and DE. So we first our aim is to find out the value of AF and DE. So with this detail, we will move on to this problem. First, take this same turning moment diagram. First, I am going to find the total area of given turning moment diagram. Here we have A1, A2, A3 and A4. A1, A2, A4 are negative, A3 are positive. So total work done, work area equal to A3 positive minus of remaining term. So A3 6.8 10 power minus 3, A1 0.45 into 10 power minus 3. Similarly we have A2 and A4. When you reduce this, you will get 4 into 10 power minus 3 meter square. This is the total work done. We can take it as work done. But we know that unit for work done Newton meter, but here we have meter square. That's why we are using a scale factor. In the previous slide, we have seen a scale factor of 1 meter squared equal to 3 into 10 power 6. So multiply that meter squared with 3 into 10 power 6, you will get 12 into 10 power 3 Newton meter. So this is the total work done by flywheel. Okay, here we have a total work done. There is another formula for work done. Work done equal to T mean into theta. So work equal to force into displacement or torque into theta. So that is the meaning of this term, T mean into theta. we don't know the value of T mean. Actually our aim is to find out T mean value, but theta value we know that maximum value of theta 4 pi. Replace theta by 4 pi. From that I can find T mean value. T mean equal to 12 into 10 power 3 divided by 4 pi. You will get 955 Newton. So here I can write it as 955 Newton. Next, I'm going to take only the working stroke alone. So this is not an expansion, it's a working stroke. So W, we will name it as expansion, no problem. This is expansion, this is exhaust, so there is no problem. So W expansion equal to total value of A3 6.8 into 10 power minus 3. This is meter squared, but we need everything in Newton meter, so multiply 1 meter squared with 3 into 10 power 6. So multiply this term with 3 into 10 power 6, you will get 20.4 into 10 power 3 Newton meter. Now we can easily find out this value ABC. So what is W expansion? So W expansion is nothing but half into this triangle ABC, half into AG, here we have G and this is A, half into AG, height of the triangle multiplied by base of the triangle BC, half into BC into AG. BC value known, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi. 3 pi minus 2 pi, pi. That's why I put pi here. AG we need to find out. AG is nothing but T max equal to some same value. Now rearrange the term. You will get AG equal to 12,985. So this is the AG value, 12,985 Newton. Now I got T mean as well as T max value. Now I can find T excess. So what is T excess? That is AF. AF equal to AG minus FG. AG value T max 12,985. FG value, this value FG 955 Newton. So 955. You will get 12,030 Newton meter. This is the value of T excess. Okay, so this value I can mark it as 12,030 Newton meter. With this detail, now we will move on to find the value of DE. Now let us take this diagram. I need del E. Del E equal to half into DE into T excess. T excess means this value. We already just now we calculated that value T excess. But what about DE? DE unknown. We need this value. We can easily find this value using ratio of triangle. Let's look at the ratio of triangle. DE divided by BC. Just take these two triangles. This is A, B, C, and here we have DE. Both are isosceles triangle. A triangle ADE placed inside ABC. Okay, so first I am taking the smaller triangle base DE divided by larger triangle base BC equal to smaller triangle height, that is AF, divided by bigger triangle height AG. That's what I have written here. Okay, so even you can take a bigger triangle base BC divided by DE, then AG divided by AF. But when you use DE first, then you use the corresponding height on the other side. So this is the ratio of triangle. Here my need is DE. So DE equal to AF by AG into BC. What is A of A to F? 12,030, this value A to F, A to G, up to this point 12,985, multiplied by BC value pi. When you reduce this term, you will get 2.9 radian. So this is the value of DE. Now I can use this formula, area of triangle half into DE into AF. DE value known 2.9 here, and AF value calculated in the previous slide 12,030. Finally you will get a value of this. So this is the value of del E. But what we need to find out is mass. So there is a formula. Let me erase all the other parameters in the slide. Del E equal to pi squared divided by 900 into mr squared n into n minus n into n1 minus n2. So this is one standard formula to find the value of del E. Here del E known, pi constant, 900 constant, m unknown, r value known, r capital R value given in the problem 1.2, then capital N value 200 because N1 202, N2 200, sorry 198, then N equal to N1 plus N2 divided by 2, 202 plus 198, 400 divided by 2, 200. That's why here I put N equal to 200, 202 minus 198. When you substitute this value, you will get this reduction, whereas another side we have this value. Okay, now when you rearrange, finally you will get 17,444 divided by 12.36. You will get mass value of 1,381 kg. So this is the mass of the flywheel for this problem. You can also find this same answer using another formula, del E equal to I omega squared CS. Here I equal to mk squared or mr squared, then omega 2 pi n by 60. You already have n value by n1 plus n2 divided by 2, then again apply n here, you will get omega value. Okay, again CS equal to n1 minus n2 divided by n. So from that you can find CS value, and you can substitute all those parameters, and here also you will get the same result. So there are two formulas. You can directly use del E equal to I omega squared CS, or you can use this formula. So this is how you can solve the given turning moment diagram. Finally, our aim is to find mass of the flywheel for the given specification of turning moment diagram. Don't forget to post your questions in the comment box. You can also mention the topics which you expect from my channel. Subscribe my channel and like my video to support my video lecture.